This is our night view here in Emirates Palace. O, diba? Tahimik, hindi siya masyadong matao. And then, actually guys, that restaurant, open yan last year. So, yung bumalik kami dito, I know, last 2 years I think. So, yung bumalik kami dito dyan, close na din yan. Ngayon, bumukas na naman. Diba? Ang ganda. Kaso, hindi pa kami gutom. Kaya, nabusog kasi kami doon sa, sa pagkain ko sa shout out sa aking vlogger. Oo. Guys. So, outfit check tayo. So, for today's video, guys, mag-breakfast pa kami dito sa Emirates Palace Hotel Abu Dhabi. Yes. So, yeah, shout out na lang ako sa aming dinner kagabi. O, diba? So, yung breakfast nila, guys, until 11 a.m. So, time check is already 10 a.m. Okay. So, guys, bago pa kami makarating doon sa breakfast and then the information, maglalakad pa kami ng 10 minutes. Diyos ko, grabe. Oh, shout out sa mess ng aming room. Ayan, it's a rainy day again. It's raining. Bakit palagi talagang umuulan? Once na mag-book kami ng everything is rainy. Oh, nakabihis na yung isa for breakfast, ready na. Naririnig nyo yung mga ibon, guys. Grabe, ang iingay ng mga ibon. Ibon. Kami on the way for our breakfast. Ayun, isa. Diba? Ang layo-layo na din nalakad namin. Actually, this is a good exercise. For 1 week, we are too much lose weight. Yan. Look at their sandal here. See outside. This is the Japanese, right? Okay, the Japanese restaurant. So lahat to, guys, magpo-close ng 11 p.m. Breakfast is there, right? Bibi, no one is there. We're only eating two. Lah. Fast. Hi. Morning. Morning.
You have to wake up eh.
Okay. Morning. Morning. I'm fine. Morning. This is the fresh fruits, guys. When you entered, ito ang makikita natin sa breakfast nila. So, this is all fresh. That's so special. They have Asian, they have Indian, and hash brown. Baby, if you want egg, you can order here. I was checking for the look at. Baby, Japanese food. I want to try sushi. You want to try that? No need egg. For you, you want? Just give me a little. Just give me a little. 3 pancake. Just give me one now. What's this kitty pie? Hash brown. Only one. I want to have searching a fried rice. Where's the fried rice? So this is all their starter. Bibi, the starter is here. Chicken salad. Too much
huge there. What's this for the breakfast there?
Grabe.
Oh, this is very good.
The breakfast here, guys. Super sarap yung foods. Yeah. Kaso umulan. It rained. See here, maybe see this is the juice I told you. You're not coming here, no? Guys, finish our nice life here in Emirates Palace. It's time to go. It's time to check out. Kitty Pie. How's your night here, Kitty Pie? Very nice. You sure this one, Bibi? There. See, look up there. Bed, guys. Diba? Ang ganda ng lighting. Reading light. So that's all for today, guys. See you in my next vlog. Thank you for watching. Diane Studio and Collector's Corner is signing off. Bye! Check out. Gusto pa ng isa mag-extend. On Monday until 28, he's so busy na.